It's amazing how undervalued that part of the market is. It's been absolutely trampled by algorithms who are focused on early stage, not making a lot in the way of cash flow and so forth. But this may be one of the biggest areas of opportunity when it comes to AI, certainly the most profound in terms of curing disease.
In a recent interview on In the Know with Ark Invest, Cathie Wood discusses the transformative impact of AI in the enterprise sector and emphasizes the significance of Bitcoin in a decentralized future. She highlights how innovations in areas such as healthcare and autonomous technology are reshaping market. Additionally, AI continues to advance rapidly, with notable developments in video updates and OpenAI further pushing the boundaries of integration into business operations and daily life. As of today, Bitcoin is trading at approximately $63,000, reflecting a 1% increase over the last 24 hours and a 16% rise over the past 30 days.
Stop. You don't have time. Don't miss out this 2025 bull run. Educate yourself first ahead of the crowd. We have created the ultimate step-by-step crypto cheat guide that will guide you this bull run. Unlock the secrets of crypto and make smarter investments today. Now by clicking on the link below to get your exclusive copy just under $10.
Yeah, I have, as we have been debating this over the last few years and discussing it, it has struck me that that Elon Musk has amassed or created a number of companies that are themselves creating a lot of data from different angles, including biological data, Neuralink, and so forth. So he and his companies may be in the best position from a data point of view. Think about the autonomous driving miles, of course. Yes, the biological data in Neuralink. You've got X, the data that has been spewing out of X, formerly Twitter. So XAI is going to have an incredible wealth of data that many people worry is going to be in short supply for some of the other players. So it's going to be a very interesting opportunity going forward. So we've got the autonomous mobility as, yes, the largest AI project on Earth, $8 to $10 trillion in revenue in the next 5 to 10 years, half of that going to these platform companies. And then you've got, yes, the biological opportunities. We're only now unlocking the secrets. We're decoding life, health, and death. We're also, with that knowledge and that data, using it to cure disease. And what I think is interesting about this space is the traditional analysts in the healthcare world are used to the friction in healthcare being, okay, all of the stages of trials, and then you have to go to the FDA, get approval, and then you have to get reimbursement, and it's such a slog. But what I think is going to happen is there's going to be a lot more of a forcing function from demand pull, especially in the cancer space. I know we've probably all had experience with family members or friends who have gotten cancer, and they will go to the ends of the earth to get as much information about it, as well as try and get into trials. They'll really push, I think, this evolution towards really the knowledge-based approach to healthcare, and kind of push the regulatory system along and the reimbursement system, because it's that important. It's life or death. And we do see a lot of people taking healthcare into their hands, taking more control. They want to know more about it. So I think transparency is going to become more and more important and prevalent in the space.
As we just heard, Cathie Wood emphasized the importance of AI in enterprise software and its impact on productivity. Now, let's dive into her insights on Bitcoin's disruptive potential and its increasing role as a hedge against inflation. These innovations are not only shaping the future of technology, but are also redefining the financial landscape. With both AI and Bitcoin driving significant change, it's an exciting time for investors and innovators alike. Now, let's hear what Cathie Wood has to share.
OpenAI, yes, we think it's in a really good position. But as you said, Anthropic, XAI, and Meta platforms on the open source side. So it seems like we're going to have two contenders on the open source side. So Llama 3, which is Meta's a large language model, and Elon Musk has said, I think this week, that he too and XAI are going to move towards the open source model. So I think this is fascinating, having two really more closed source models or closed models and two open source models. So wanted to set the stage there because we're getting a lot of questions. But I think just by saying that, we think this space is moving so quickly that there aren't going to be a lot of players. This gets at that last chart was enterprise value, so what the market is going to pay for these services. This gets to the revenue and gross profit opportunities backing that up. So just looking at this, the foundation model part of these bar charts really have just begun. The others exist, right? The other parts of the ecosystem exist. They're going to get bigger. But we're starting with GPT-3, ChatGPT, just a couple of years ago. We're starting from nothing and scaling pretty quickly. I guess one of the topics that we spend a lot of time discussing is the secret sauce. And I think you've added more perspective to that discussion with this chart.
In this enlightening discussion, Cathie Wood explores the tremendous potential of AI, Bitcoin, and healthcare innovations to propel the next wave of economic growth. We'd love to hear your thoughts on a couple of questions. Do you believe AI or Bitcoin will have a greater impact on the future economy? How do you envision innovations in healthcare reshaping our lives? For more Daily Dose Crypto news, check out these two awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.